Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to check oil level in any vehicle that has oil dipstick. This specific vehicle I'm gonna do a demonstration is 2016 Chrysler 200. So I had this vehicle running, but for the last 10 minutes it was turned off and it was sitting just like that. So when you're checking the oil level, you want to make sure that the vehicle is positioned on the flat surface. And then you will have to locate engine oil dipstick. Usually on the vehicles that would be front of the engine or side of the engine. It could be either side. So in this vehicle, as you can see, I have engine oil dipstick right in front of the engine, and most of the dipstick would look like that with the yellow top. So like I said, this vehicle was shut off for the last 10 minutes and I'm gonna check level of the oil. You want to make sure that you have some kind of a paper towel or some kind of a rag so you can wipe the dipstick off when you take it off and then reinsert it to double check the oil level. Alright, now I'm gonna pull the engine oil dipstick out and I'm gonna check the oil level. As you can see, this dipstick is marked with minimum and maximum line, so everything that's right here in the middle or to the top should be safe. If you're on lower side, you should add to have the oil at least that's in the middle between these two lines. So when you initially take the dipstick out, you wanna wipe it off completely and make sure it's dry, and now you wanna reinsert it. And now you will have to leave it there for at least 5 seconds. Now I'm gonna pull it out to read the oil level. Okay, let's check it out. So yeah, I hope you can see, but my level is right in the middle. You see, it is right there. So that's pretty good. I'm just checking because I had oil change done and I wanna just make sure that oil level is good. So as you can see, it is actually a little bit on the lower side, so I will actually add just a little bit of oil. If you're not too sure if you can clearly see, you can again wipe it off and you can reinsert it again. I'm actually gonna do that just to make sure I have same readings. Like I said, leave it there for at least 5 seconds and then pull it out. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's right about in the middle. So yeah, I will add just a little bit, just so it's closer to the maximum line, just to be safe. So before adding in any oil, you want to make sure a proper viscosity oil for your vehicle, and usually that would be displayed on the oil cap. So you can I'll remove oil cap by turning it counterclockwise, and you can see oil viscosity for this vehicle. So it's 5W20. The easiest way to add oil is to use the funnel, so there won't be any spilling. Just place it right inside the oil tube and then you can slowly add oil. Now it all depends how much oil you need to add. So I know I just need to add just a little bit. So I'm gonna add a little bit more and then I'm gonna check the level, because you don't want to overfill. Okay, I'm gonna remove the funnel. And now I'm gonna recheck the oil level. Okay, here we are. So it definitely went up a little bit. I'm gonna wipe it down. Wanna make sure it's dry, and I'm gonna reinsert it. Leave it there for at least 5 seconds. I'm gonna check it again. Alright. Yeah, I'm very close. I'm very close to the maximum line. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I don't know if you can see, but I'm right about there. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I'm gonna put the oil dipstick back in, put the funnel back on, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I think that should be enough. Okay. Pull the engine oil dipstick. Just gonna check it now. Gonna wipe it off. It's nice and dry, and I'm gonna reinsert it. Okay, I think that's gonna be the final check, because the oil should be at the maximum line. All right. So let's see here. Yeah, it's about there, but I'm gonna wipe it off and check it one more time just to make sure I have same readings. Okay. Yeah, it's almost at the maximum line, but not quite there yet. I'm actually gonna add just a little bit more. Okay, I'll add just a little bit more. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna wipe this one, make sure it's dry, and I'm gonna reinsert it. Okay, let's check the level now. All right. And yeah, it's very close to the maximum line, so I'm gonna leave it right there because that's good enough. Let's double check one more time. Yeah, it's very close to the maximum line, and I'm gonna leave it at that. So you want to make sure you put the oil dipstick back inside. Don't forget to put the oil cap back on. Turn it clockwise to secure it. Clean it up. If you spill some oil, And that should be it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.